special to you for watching this video. Okay, today I'm going to make just a like a jersey shirt and pants. I'm going to use another pattern for the pants, and I'm going to make a denim one, and this is also something for my hair with a wire in it, and I'm not going to use. I'm going to use this maybe for something in the house. I don't know. There you go. And then I'm just going to open this, and then this is a part of an old jersey of mine I'm going to use to fill her jersey for her. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the material, I just fold it over and I place the pattern on the fold, and then just as usual I'm going to all along the line work on it and all that stuff. So let's go on with that. So this pants is too small for her. It didn't work out. My pattern was definitely too small, but I already made it bigger, so I will give you the bigger one here. Just right. And so I already, luckily I've got the other material that I'm going to use for this pants, and hopefully it will fit this time. Okay, hopefully this time it will work. Okay, so now, oh, this is actually the right side, but I want the dark one. So I'm only going to, for now, sew it on this line here on my sewing machine, but you can hand sew it as well if you want. So now just fold it open and just work a hem here on top, and then by the legs as well. Okay, so all that's left now is just to put Velcro, or you can put a snap clip in there. I'm just going to put this piece of Velcro on my machine, so I'll be back. And there you go, Sally's new outfit. I think it looks quite cute at the end of the day. So yeah, definitely use this bigger pattern. So until next time, see you then. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, all that stuff. See you next time. Bye.